Everyone, it's Amanda, and this is my week 9 video. So, the first question was, what was something you learned from this week's materials that perhaps you had heard before in terms of research and writing, what you found useful revisiting again? I liked, the first thing that I really liked was the steps that laid out how we should be doing the paper. So I think this would be helpful for me in particular because I like having things laid out instead of me just trying to figure it out myself. This way I have a process that I can go through step by step. And there were 7 steps that she had, which was choose a topic, which I have done. Mine is the 2007 Southern California wildfires, and I'm focusing on the community response. The second step is find information, which is the step that I'm currently on. I got those good bit articles last week, but I'm still trying to make sure I have plenty of information, so I have lots of options of what I want to use. Third step, you state your thesis. Fourth, make an outline. This is something that I don't usually do. I don't usually make outlines unless they're part of the graded portion, but I think they have been very useful in the past, so I think I am going to try to do that because once again, this could have it laid out for me and I won't be jumping all over the place throughout my paper. 5 is to organize your notes. Step 6 is to write your first draft, and then 7, you just revise your outline and drafts as needed. And I'm definitely going to try to aim to use these steps to help me with my paper. The other thing that I really liked was organizing literature review, which had different ways that you could do this, which includes the topical order, organizing by main topics or issues, which I think this is probably the one that I will focus on. You could do chronological order by dates the research was published, problem, cause, solution order, which moves from problem to solution, general to specific order, which you start with a broad research and then focus on the topic, or you could do the specific to general, which is when you start with specifics and then the conclusions can be drawn from that. The second question was, what do you personally feel is the muddiest in your own research? What are you stuck, struggling, or bored with? And I think I'm currently struggling with trying to put all the ideas together in a way that makes sense, that they're not all over the place, that I'm not jumping from point to point, but I'm also want to make sure that I have enough information, that I'm not having too little or too much that it drags on. I'm just trying to find that balance right now of what I want. And the last, if you have one tip of your own to share with the class in terms of setting yourself up to get a great grade on the paper presentation. I think the biggest thing is reading the outline that the instructor gives you and follow it. You cannot go wrong if you are following the outline. I think that's the easiest thing you can do, just if you follow every step and do it the way that the outline sets out, that we should be in good shape, and that's usually what I try to focus on as well. So I hope everyone's doing well with their research and hope everything else is going well with everyone else too.